Hey y'all, it's me all in good fun. First day of the government shutdown. I'm wearing my special hat that says Caca. If you don't know what that word means, it's Spanish. It means poop. And that's what I think of the government shutdown. I think everybody's to blame. First of all, you got the Magans and the Fox Lion Network. And what they want you to believe is that the reason there's government shutdown is because the Dems are demanding health care coverage for undocumented migrants. Now, the Dems, equally stupid, aren't clarifying that that is not what they are asking for. First of all, undocumented people do not have Medicare. They do not have Medicaid. They are not eligible. Those two government programs are reserved for U.S. citizens and permanent residents. So this all a big myth that Dems are trying to get more coverage for the undocumented people. But here's another thing. And by the way, I have to let you know, I'm not just some dumb old lady on social media trying to be funny all the time. I worked in the healthcare industry for more than 25 years, almost 30 years. And I saw a lot and I know a lot. First of all, let's say somebody shows up in the emergency department. They think they're having a heart attack or a stroke. They get there, they don't have any health insurance coverage because maybe they're undocumented. Well, the hospital, doesn't matter, is required to see anybody who shows up in their emergency department. They're not going to throw them out on the street, stroke out on the sidewalk for the whole world to see. They're not going to do that. They're going to treat the patient. And you know who's paying for that? Not me, not my tax dollars, not your tax dollars, not the U.S. government. Who's paying for it? The hospital. Hospital's taking a loss. They're going to have to try to get reimbursed somehow or pray that they have a nice foundation and donors who help keep them afloat when they can't get reimbursement, and they can continue to offer this charity care when it's necessary. So that's the reality of it. So Dems, they're not asking for a handout for the undocumented migrants. They're asking for affordable health care for me and you. So we can afford to see a doctor, have our care paid for at the doctor's office or the hospital, so those doctors and hospitals can stay in business to continue to give us care. That's what they're fighting for, us to be able to afford health care. Meanwhile, Donald Trump, he's partnering with Pfizer, creating Trump RX. So now you need those important drugs to keep you alive. You're going to be buying them from Donald Trump, and he's going to be pocketing the profit. So the Republicans, they don't want us to have affordable health care. They want to help get Donald Trump richer and the other billionaires with tax breaks. That's what it's all about. So that's what I have to say. It's a bunch of caca, and I'm all in good fun.